Today's Friday, August 5th. About 1:30 in the afternoon, New York time. We had a good jobs report this morning, and check out the utilities index, the Dow Jones Utilities. A little breakdown here, trading below its 50-day average for the first time in a while. So is that good or bad? Well, of course, one chart we don't know. Let's look at some indicators. You can see RSI. That's a pretty big bearish divergence. You can call this a double top. Matter of fact, I'll just lift that up there. And to me, that's close enough as a double top with a nice declining RSI. Bearish divergence there, that's bad. On balance volume, still holding its own, so I'm not freaking out over the decline in utilities, but still bad news. Relative performance versus the S&P 500, possibly changing direction here. Just looking at a few other things, other indicators, really a lot of these momentum indicators say the same thing. But you have a crossover in MACD, that's not good. And if we come a little further out here, price oscillator, this is just the distance to the 200-day average. And look at this, the average is way down here. So there is an awful lot of room to go before this 200-day average is hit. How far can it go? Realistically, who knows? The average, if it continues up into this area here, and that's really a couple months out, and you can see that would be at support area there from the peaks of earlier this year. So it looks like we have a short-term breakdown in utilities. I don't want to say that the party is over yet, especially when you haven't even gotten a trend break. But I think weakness, maybe playing around in this trend line area, is probably a good bet right now in utilities.